should lie. What you say will come to pass. What you say is sure and exactly what you say you will do it too.
You are so friggin' God. You punish those who don't quit doing bad. You reward those who chose to be good. Nothing is hidden in your sight.
When I am under the west, you are there. When I am on the east, you are there. When I am on the south, you are there. When I am on north, you are there. You are everywhere. You are omnipotent. You are omniscient. You know everything. You even see future. You decide who lives and who doesn't. You hold the key of heaven and hell. Now I know and I believe you. Nevertheless, let your will be done and not my will.